What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 secret Galaxy A52 features you must know. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so getting straight into this video, we're going to be showing you 5 different features, and the first one is going to be in an application called Good Lock. So if you guys haven't already, go into the Samsung store and you can download this application called Good Lock. Once you're in here, go ahead and click on this. Now there are a bunch of different applications in here, and the one you're going to want to go ahead and download is going to be called Lockstar. So once you've downloaded that, you're going to want to go ahead and click on this. Now this is going to be a really cool feature for anybody who wants to customize their lock screen. So as you guys can see, you can edit your portrait lock screen right here. Go ahead and click on that. You can choose your wallpaper, as you guys can see right here, just straight from here, and you can save it from here as well. So let's go ahead and save this, and you can choose your clock. So you can choose what your clock wants to look like. You can make it look super clean. Let's go ahead and use this right here. And you can actually drag anything that's on your lock screen to different parts of the screen. So we're going to go ahead and drag this up here, a little right here, and then we're going to drag these notifications down here. And we also have items right here. So we can add face widgets, music widgets, lock icons, as you guys can see. Another really cool feature about this is you can add actually 6 different applications or 7 different applications right here to your lock screen. So we're going to go ahead and do so right now. So let's go ahead and click on this. Go ahead and add these. First one, let's go ahead and add Netflix. Let's go ahead and add Gallery, Chrome, Play Store. Where's YouTube at? Let's go ahead and add YouTube, Gmail, and there you go. We have our 6 applications that we can add right there. Go ahead and click Apply. Go ahead and click Save. And we're going to go ahead and go to our lock screen right here. But straight from the lock screen, you guys can actually click on the bottom right corner right there, and all of your applications will show just like that. So we can go straight to YouTube from the app screen. And I thought that was a really cool feature. We can also edit the lock screen timeout. We can also edit landscape lock screen if you guys like to do that as well. So really cool feature. Definitely gives you the ability to customize a ton of different things, and I thought that was really cool. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to be showing you is actually going to be called Keys Cafe. And this is going to be in Good Lock as well. So if you guys don't have this application, you definitely need to get it because it offers so many different things. So we're going to go ahead and go into this application again. Get out of Lockstar right here. But all you have to do is go to Family, and you're going to see the Keys Cafe up there, and you're going to want to actually go ahead and download that. I did already. It's only about like 15 megabytes, so it's a very small file. But as you guys see, we can actually make your own keyboard. We can go ahead and style your own keyboard, and there's a few other keyboard games right there, but that's really just a gimmick. The thing I want to show you is right here, make your own keyboard. So we can add whatever symbols we want. We can add whatever languages we want right here. And we do have a bunch of different features. So we can go ahead and edit all these different things. But this is the really cool part about this. We're going to back out once, go into style your own keyboard. And I think this is my favorite part, but we have all of these different themes. And you can actually add more. But we have all of these different keyboard themes and colors, and I thought these look really cool. We can also add typing effects, as you guys can see. So if you guys want that effect, you guys can have that. It's a keyboard color effect. Look at that. The keyboard motion effect. That one's really cool. And we can also change the different sounds for your keyboard as well. So I thought this was a really cool feature, especially anybody who wants to match their phone's wallpaper or the style that they have. These are some really cool themes to style your keyboard. All right, everyone, so the next secret feature, this is going to be a really cool feature, and this is actually going to be showing you how to speed up your fingerprint sensor. And as you guys know, the fingerprint sensor is pretty decent already, but I still think it could be a little bit faster. So what you're going to want to go and do is go into settings. Then we're going to want to go ahead and type in optimize battery usage. It's right there. Go ahead and click on that. Click on optimize battery usage. And then we're going to click on optimize battery usage once more. Now, apps not optimized. We're going to go ahead and click all. And we're going to go ahead and search something up really quick. So we're going to search up biometrics, as you guys can see right there. And we're going to go ahead and turn that off. We're going to back out once after that. And then we're going to search up biometrics in the regular settings right here. So once you look at biometrics, we're going to go ahead and click on biometrics and security, go to our fingerprints, and we have more biometric settings right here. We're going to go ahead and click on those and show unlock transition effect. We're going to want to go ahead and turn that off. And you guys are definitely going to see how much quicker this is. So 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. Way quicker than it would usually be. Boom. So if you guys want to go ahead and speed up your fingerprint sensor on your A52, that is definitely the way to do it. Alright everyone, so the next feature is going to be in settings as well, and this is going to be through developer options right here. First thing we're going to do is click on about phone, then we're going to go ahead and click on software information, then we're going to click on our build number multiple times until it says we've unlocked developer options. Then we're going to go and back out to the first menu again, and we're going to scroll down one. Now we have this thing called developer options right here. And this is going to speed up your phone. So we're going to scroll down until we get to the animations. So we're going to see those very soon. And we're going to want to put these all on 0.5. So as you guys see, I put them on 0.5. But by default, they're going to be on 1 times. And you guys already know how slow that could be. But look how much quicker half the time is right here. Boom. We can also turn all of these off as well if you guys just don't want any animations and you want the quickest usage of this device possible. That is possible to do, but I would recommend putting it on 0.5 because it kind of looks a little weird, to be quite honest, but that is how you speed up your device. And last but not least, our last secret feature is going to be in the camera. Now, if you guys did not know about this, or you guys don't play around with the camera too much, maybe you take your photos or videos or whatever, maybe you didn't go through everything that's in here, we actually have Snapchat filters, which are pretty cool. So we're going to scroll all the way to the left right here, and we're going to have this feature called Fun. So we're going to go ahead and show our face. As you guys can see right there, we have a ton of other Snapchat filters that we can use, but if you download the application, you can download even more. But we're going to just go through the base ones that we have right here. As you guys can see, so dancing mustache. We just got some new ones today, I guess, because these are definitely new. But we have some really cool options on here, some really fun stuff for anybody who likes these Snapchat filters. We can also search more through here and download more off of Snapchat. So I would definitely go ahead and check that out. And I love that Samsung put that on there because a ton of people love this type of filter. So really good stuff, Samsung. Yeah, guys, those are my 5 secret features I wanted to show you on the Galaxy A52 today. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. Hopefully these features did help you out. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.